Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to analyze marketing performance and metrics in Hubspot CRM. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Hubspot CRM account, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account on Hubspot CRM? Launch in a browser of your choice as the first step and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, go ahead and type hubspot.com. This is going to take you to the official website for HubSpot. Once you get into the official website, check the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find the Get CRM for Free button. Click on that and follow through the on-screen prompt to sign in using an existing account or to sign up by creating a new account. Now, once you've signed in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in HubSpot. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's task, which is how to analyze marketing performance and metrics in HubSpot. From this homepage, head over to the top corner of the screen where you're going to find a couple tabs. Contact, conversations, marketing, sales, commerce, service, automation, and reporting. So click on marketing and you're going to find an extended menu that has ads, email, landing pages, websites, social, SEO, campaigns, design tools, and forms. Go ahead and click on campaigns. Now, once you click on campaigns, it's going to take you to this window. Now, you cannot unlock the campaign feature if you're not subscribed to the Marketing Hub Professional. So go ahead and click on Start a free 14-day trial for you to assess the features within the campaign. Now, but I'm going to show you how exactly you can analyze the campaign performance once you get to this campaign window. So first, navigate to marketing, which we did, and navigate to campaigns. Now, click on the campaign that you want to analyze. After clicking on the campaign, in the upper left corner of that window, you can filter your campaign data. So you can filter it by contact attribution or you can filter it by date range. Now, this is an example of how the report is going to look like. So below are the report displayed in the campaign's performance tab, and each report represents different engagement data split out by network. So learn about the requirements of your different, no, no, okay, so to display a report in the table below, hover over to the report icon, all right? So once you head over to this, your campaign page, your campaign window where you have your campaign organized, you're going to see report icon. So click on your campaign, the name of the campaign that you want, and you're going to see the report icon. So click on the report icon and it's going to display this table where you have report name, metrics, and how to use report. So this is what it's going to look like. All right. This is how it's going to look like so that you can be able to analyze your marketing performance and metrics. So this is traffic. You're going to find report for asset report, content and sessions. You're going to find for revenue attribution. You're going to find for revenue. You're going to find the overview. So that's pretty much it. This is how you can analyze marketing performance and metrics. Don't forget the process: marketing, campaigns, select the name of the campaign, and then click on report icon, and it's going to develop the report for you. So this is pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.